Are you looking for the best soldering iron? In this video, we will break down the top soldering irons on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best soldering iron, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have Xtronic 3020 XTS Digital Soldering Station. This station is packed full of features for the best possible experience, starting with its 75 watt soldering iron, featuring an ergonomic grip and temperature range from 392 to 896 degrees. The iron can easily handle most tasks. Both the iron and solder roll have their own holders, and a brass tip cleaner, cleaning flux, and sponge are all nestled into the base. The blue LED can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, and includes a 10-minute sleep timer and auto cooldown feature. The entire station is covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 3-year 100% repair guarantee to ensure this tool remains in top working order for years to come. Owners are very pleased with the quick heating times and sleep feature. They love the fact that it has a resting temperature of around 200 degrees, but quickly reheats the moment you pick it back up. In the event of a burnout or other problem, users note that customer service is quick to remedy the problem and sometimes even ships separate parts at no charge. There are two possible issues with this station, both in relation to the iron itself. The first issue occurs after frequent use. A plastic collar that connects between the rod and handle has been known to deform and require replacement in a few cases. Also, using the iron at extreme temperatures for long periods frequently can damage the heating element, preventing the iron from reaching high temperatures in future. The heating element can be replaced, however, and you can order additional ones inexpensively from the manufacturer. At number 2, we have the Weller WES51 Analog Soldering Station. This analog soldering station is designed for those who frequently need to solder a large number of items. The included iron is a slim PES51 soldering pencil with durable nichrome wound stainless steel heating element and fully compatible with the Weller ET series tips, an electrostatic discharge plastic handle, foam sleeve, and non-burning silicone rubber cord help ensure you can work for long hours safely with less fatigue. The station itself has a stand for holding the pencil when you don't want to, and a sponge. In addition, the station's electronic control system can adjust between temperatures of 350 and 850 degrees Fahrenheit quickly and provides excellent temperature recovery. To prevent accidentally damaging electronics, jewelry, or other fragile components, the system also has a wireless temperature lockout that won't allow you to set the temperature beyond the recommended max for a specific workpiece. With an auto shutoff after 99 minutes of idling and an easy-to-see LED indicator, this is arguably the best soldering iron station for any work environment. One of the most unusual perks about owning this tool isn't the tool itself, but the manual. Chock full of diagrams and a full guide on servicing and repair, the manual has allowed most owners to diagnose and repair problems on their own. Owners of this station also love the quick heating and easy cleanup this model provides. Quite a few have noted that they purchased this stand to replace their aging Radio Shack irons, which were reliable, but now are as hard to find as the store itself. Weller has been a staple for decades, but many consumers found the quality has decreased since the Weller company was purchased by Apex. Customer service could use improvement, but seems to be getting better. It's been noted by a few that the heat sensor within the pencil has a habit of burning out over time. This renders the entire unit unusable until the soldering pencil is replaced. As the pencil costs approximately half the cost of a new unit and uses specialized tips, many owners of this product have been reluctant to replace the damaged part. Fortunately, this is not a common occurrence. At number 3, we have the Weller WLC100 Analog Soldering Station. Another Weller analog model, this adjustable 5 to 40 watt station provides both accuracy and power to any project. The lightweight pencil has a certified ST3 iron-plated copper tip, cushioned foam grip, and replaceable heating element. The base includes a built-in stand, natural sponge tip cleaning pad, and power-on indicator light to warn you that you left the iron on. This model is compatible with all ST series tips and UL listed to ensure it meets safety standards. A 1-year manufacturer's defect warranty is included. This is an excellent station for those who work on smaller projects, such as jewelry or circuit boards. Many owners have been long-time Weller enthusiasts, while others are first-time buyers. In both cases, they noted this station is easy to use and generally high quality. The ability to heat up to 900 degrees also makes this an extremely powerful tool when high heat is needed. There have been a few issues with temperature control on this model, as there is no temperature display present. Several consumers have reported they've received visually refurbished irons, so you want to make sure you're purchasing from a reputable seller. Most of the complaints appear to be after Weller was bought out, so it might be wise to check the manufacturing date before purchasing to ensure you get the best quality. And at number 4, we have the Dremel 2001 VersaTip Butane Soldering Torch. The #1 name in hobby tools enters our list with this 14-piece precision butane soldering torch kit. This iron can perform a wide variety of functions, including burning, cutting, heating, shrinking, and welding. Highly accurate, this tool is perfect for detail and hobby work, with the added bonus of being portable. A self-ignition button eliminates the need for an external igniter, and the tank holds enough butane for 75 minutes of continual use. The kit includes a deflector, case, cutting knife, hot air tip, protective cap, sharpening knife, solder, soldering tip, sponge, tins, wide blower tip, wrenches, and VersaTip tool. While a master of none, the high versatility of this tool makes it a winner with many hobbyists. They note that the higher precision available and portability as key features. While it is not shipped with butane already in it, you can buy butane refills at Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, Michaels, and many grocery stores. Refilling is super easy. Replacing the tips on this iron can be a pain, as Dremel doesn't offer them in US stores. You will have to go directly through their service department, which can take some time to ship. Additionally, a lot of owners have complained about the storage case, which has a cheap plastic lining and doesn't latch, making it a bit more difficult to securely tote this kit around. So that sums up our top soldering irons. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.